Metis Metadata Collector, MMC for short, is a component that gives you observability of all the databases you have. You enter the MMC from your main project page using the right column where you have all your database servers listed. When you click on the database server, what you get is the observability dashboard of the server that shows most important statistics at the beginning. You can see things like CPU usage or free memory, throughput measured in bytes per second, or number of average active sessions. You can also get number of connections, extensions, or configurations. Let's go through these sections one by one. All these graphs are interactive. You can modify the time frame when you want to see the data. You can also zoom them in to see the data at a glance. Now, CPU usage shows you the CPU of the server as it has been measured. Free memory indicates how much of a free memory your database server has at a given point of time. Similarly, throughput, average active sessions, and number of connections, they show you some more statistics about the server. Extensions part shows you details about the extensions you have installed into your Postgres instance. When you click Show More, you can see the list of the extensions with the default versions and the installed versions, and also you can see insights about each extension, for instance, suggesting that you should install some of them to achieve better performance. Coming back to the database, you also have the configuration section. Once you click Show More, you can get all your running configuration keys with insights indicating how you could improve them to get better performance. At the very bottom of the screen, you have a section dedicated to databases. You have the list of all your databases with their sizes, and also you have indicator whether a given database is monitored by the MMC or not. When you click on the database, you enter another section of MMC observability dashboard that shows details about given database. For instance, you get again statistics about number of transactions, number of rows, temp files, or cache hit ratio. You get also additional statistics about like table sizes, schema analysis, queries, or indexes. Let's go through that one by one. When you click table sizes, MMC takes you to the description of all the tables as extracted from the statistics of your database server. They do not extract the number of rows using select count star, but instead they take that from metadata of the database server, the same metadata that your server uses to create execution plans for the queries. You can see number of rows and the size of the table, or number of dead rows. You can obviously sort the columns, sort the data to get like the order of the tables different, and you can see explanation that when you have -1 in this column, that it means that no vacuum or analyze has been run yet on the database. Coming back to the database, we also have table schema analysis. Table schema analysis shows you all your tables with suggested insights on how to improve the performance. For instance, once I click on this table called passenger, I can get insights that maybe I should reconfigure my primary key or my foreign key. You again get remediation plan that is very actionable and that you can apply in no time. Coming back to Airbase's demo, the MMC page, you can see the list of indexes with number of indexes that are not used. When you click Show More, you can see multiple indexes with their usage pattern. You can see how many times they were called in given time frame. For indexes that haven't been used, you can see there is an insight indicating to you that, hey, this index has been used 0 times in last 14 days. Maybe consider dropping that index to improve the performance. Last thing that we have in this section is the queries list. So this shows 24 hours of your queries run against the database. You can see query statements, you can see number of calls, and you can see average duration. So we can see this is the query statement that has been executed. This is the average duration of this query in given time frame, and this is the number of calls of this given query. So this is how you can monitor actual queries being executed. This is the MMC installed into your database and the observability dashboard that it provides.